In Paris lies a happy chef. Tall white hat and coat is the dress. His restaurant is filled with cheer. Smiling friends come far and near.
Stir it, mix it, clap and say, fresh from Paris every day. Cooking with a joyful tune. Restaurant opens at noon.
At morning light he strolls the square. The market is busy everywhere. He picks ripe fruit and herbs so sweet, the freshest food for all to eat.
Stir it, mix it, clap and say, fresh from Paris every day. Cooking with a joyful tune. Restaurant opens at noon.
He plans each meal with thoughtful care, choosing flavors rich and flair. Soups, bread and pie so bright, made with love from morn till night.
Stir it, mix it, clap and say, fresh from Paris every day. Cooking with a joyful tune. Restaurant opens at noon.
Everyone knows his famous name, for every dish is worth the fame. He waves hello with a merry grin. Come on in, he calls, come on in.
Stir it, mix it, clap and say, fresh from Paris every day. Cooking with a joyful tune. Sharing smiles with every spoon.
Chef waves goodbye to all.